Deeply. Looks like you're wearing lipstick.
Damn it, I just wasted a bag.
That's what she said.
What the hell's that full bird?
Wait till they come back. Wait till they come back. They'll do it. Oh no, they went to the power line. Some of them will come back.
Kind of. No, they're all going to the power line.
They would be back.